Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Kenneth. The topic for today is dating and relationships. As you watch the clip of the day, ask yourself why it is that as you get older, you start losing friends.
40s, you start losing a lot of friends. And it's not because of you becoming, antisocial or anything like that. It's because it's like, oh, can we agree that we've never really been friends?
Right.
We can be grown up about this, that we've never really been friends at all. Like we can,
Other than being artists, we really have nothing in common.
that's it. And it's just like, now that we're both in our 40s. We
Yeah.
have nothing to, like,
You at the age now, Payne, you get to choose your friends. It's not like we in elementary school, junior high, high
like,
school.
bro, we can both agree that we have nothing in common, and none of us has an advantage from us saying that we're friends at all. We don't. There's no like
Nothing gained.
there's no me featuring you that's gonna rock the airwaves. Like we're good. We
Yeah.
can just stop saying that we cool, right? Oh yeah. Let's stop doing it.
Damn.
I think this clip is important because T-Pain is not the only one who, as he got older, he noticed that he started losing friends. I noticed that as I got older, I also started losing friends. And I know other people out there who feel the exact same way. There are people who are in long-term relationships that as they got older, they grew apart and their relationship failed. There's other folks who have been in long marriages, and as they got older, they noticed that their partner grew apart from each other and the marriage ended up in divorce. This is a problem that is affecting all segments of our society. As we get older, we start losing friends. Relationships fail. The obvious answer is what T-Pain has already said is, you never were really friends. The relationships that failed as you got older, those aren't really friendships. Those were not really relationships. That wasn't really love. But I disagree. I believe that the friends that you made when you were younger, or the relationships that you got in when you were younger, or the person that you married when you were younger, that was true love. That was a true friendship, a true connection. If it wasn't true, then you wouldn't be able to make so many wonderful memories together. What T-Pain has touched on during this Club Shay Shay interview is what a lot of people out there are experiencing. As we get older, our body matures first, then comes our mind, and then comes our spirit. So children, when they begin to make friends, they choose friends based on how their body senses the world. What they see, what they feel, what they smell, what they can touch, what they can taste. Sometimes if you just bring a child a candy or you cook something nice, sometimes children will make friends just based on that. As we get older, our mind matures and we begin choosing friends based on how our mind perceives the world. We begin to choose friends based on perceived intelligence or creativity or integrity or any other personality trait that we desire in a partner. And as we get older, our spirit develops and we begin choosing friends how our spirit experiences the world. We begin choosing friends based on our subconscious and the energy that we feel in different people. As we begin choosing friends based on how our spirit perceives the world, many of us discover that there is a misalignment with the friends that we made when we were choosing friends based on how our body experiences the world or how our mind experiences the world. This is why I believe that it is so important to have core values and to be in alignment with your body, your mind, and your spirit so that the friends that you make, when you're in that alignment, those friends can be lifelong, happy, healthy relationships. And if you're married, it'll be a lifelong, happy, healthy marriage that can lead to generational wealth and generational success. The problem is that as we get older, it becomes harder to meet people who share our energy, share our core values, have compatible lifestyles, and that we can really connect with on that spiritual or that subconscious level. The solution is that we're going to have to put forth extra effort. Finding people and meeting people and connecting with people that share our values and have a compatible lifestyle is much harder when you're trying to do it all on your own. So we have to put forth extra effort to find our community, find our safe spaces where we can express what is in our heart, what is in our spirit, what is in our mind, and we can begin to make real lifelong connections and build the foundation that we need in order to create those lifelong relationships. Now, there are a lot of people out there who are lonely and want to make friends, or they're lonely and they want to get into a good relationship, or maybe they want to get married. And they're looking for solutions on how they can find people who have a compatible lifestyle, share their core values, who can resonate with what is going on with them spiritually and connect with their mind, and obviously build a certain level of physical and emotional intimacy with. If you have found someone who you are in alignment with in your spirit, in your mind, and in your body, share what has worked well for you in finding your partner and nurturing the relationship that you are able to experience today. There are so many people out there that you'll be able to help if you can share what has worked for you. Now, if you're not happy with your social life and you're looking to make connections with people who share your values and have a compatible lifestyle, perhaps you're looking for a good friend, or you're looking for a date, or maybe you're even looking for a spouse or a lifelong partner, support this channel. I am bringing together people like you who are looking for people who share their core values and have compatible lifestyles. We solve communication problems on this channel because a lot of the relationship problems that lead to the failure of a relationship all stem back to communication problems. We're doing this because I believe that we need stronger relationships if we're going to create the movement that we need to create the perfect society where men, women, and children of every ethnicity can experience prosperity and live in harmony. I'll see you in the next video.